Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Bonito, enriching your table with the power of umami. Today, we go beyond the ordinary karaage. Crispy Japanese-style fried chicken crust with Katsuobushi flakes. No extra sauce required. Let's get started. Step 1. Cut evenly. Trim excess fat and sinew. Cut into about 10 evenly sized pieces. Even size equals, even cooking equals juicy chicken. A simple rule, but very important. Step 2. Quick marinade. Place the chicken in a bag and massage in the marinade. Let it sit for 10 minutes. That's enough time for flavor to penetrate without drawing out too much moisture. Step 3. Coat. Gently break the katsuobushi into smaller flakes by hand. Mix the potato starch and the katsuobushi together. Lightly shake off any excess marinade from the chicken. Then coat each piece evenly with the mixture. Here is Dr. Bonito's tip. You want a thin, even layer, not heavy clumps. Step 4. Fry. Heat the oil to 170 degrees Celsius, 340 degrees Fahrenheit. Fry until lightly golden and firm. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes to cook through. Transfer to a wire wrap. The paper towels still will soften the crust. Serve with lettuce and lemon. When you take a bite, first crisp, then smoky katsuobushi aroma, then juicy chicken, then deep umami that lingers. It's still karaage, just upgraded. I hope you'll give it a try. Have a flavorful day.